Hi, today I'm going to show you how to calculate number of working days in Excel. So here I'm showing you just some examples. So I'm just making some format, project name. If you click here, double click between here, starting date. Sorry, okay. Here, end date. So the starting date and end date, this is what we need to calculate. Project 1 started date 01 2019, end date 01 04 2019. So what I'm going to do here, we need to make a date format. Just right click and click on format cells and you will get it one dialog box. This is which date format do you like, you can choose here. Okay, what I like it here, I like it actually this one, this format. So I'm going to just click it. So 1 January, the day is first, a month is second, and the year. So this is also, I'm going to do same things. Okay, so we want to know what is the date between this one, from starting to end, how many days are working days. So most of the working days there is holiday, multi-level holiday, like a Thursday holiday or Friday only holiday or Sunday only holiday, somewhere Sunday Saturday holiday. So I'm going to show you Friday and Saturday holiday. So first, for me, I'm just total days, I'm just checking total days. Okay, this is not total working days, this is just total days. So what I'm going to do, just put is equal to, and you need to click the end date first and click on minus, and second your starting date. So you will see, so 3 days only working days here. Okay, right. So if you make, see, July, so I change here for, that means April. So this is the total days. So we want to know the total days, how many days exactly working days. So our working days, I'm going to show you how to do the calculation working days. So I'm just put equal to, there is a format, NETWORKDAYS.INTL. So just double click on that, then you will see some formula asking you from what is date and what is things are here. Just press on starting date, this is our starting date, and click on comma, then it will goes to end date. You can see here it is activate end. So click on end, and where is our end screen? Okay, so after again you need to press comma, then it will show you, you need to be select here what is your weekend. So here my case, Friday and Saturday is a weekend, so I'm going to select Friday and Saturday, double click on that. And holiday, here I didn't put holiday because in this time period there is no holiday for me, only weekend holiday. So I'm just enter, I can see what is my working days. So this is the exactly working days here, 93 days total days. Okay, so so if you want to calculate what is the number of holiday here, weekend day, sorry, I think I already show you, again I'm showing you, just collect here, okay, and minus and working days. You can see 25 days our weekend day, off day. Okay, this is a total days, this is our working days, this is our off days. I hope this video will help you. Thank you very much for watching.